I'm filling in my burn spot here, and then
red flag, yeah, that's the red flag.
Then I just got to go over the twins and then up, and then pretty much close my block.
Nice. It's not the block, but you close your piece, yes.
And my piece. So what? So tomorrow, does that mean I'm going to get a new block if I close the block?
A new piece? Yeah, you'll get a new piece tomorrow. Yeah, of course I know what you mean. Oh wow, I'm gonna definitely go to the pool tonight and sit in the hot tub, but looks good, keep going.
Perfect, I'm enjoying you, but I'm using dumbbells as well.
Might be tuning night at the pool, so you might be able to do that at the gym and then jump into the pool.
Oh shit!
Maybe, it's been 4 years since I've been here. Yeah.
Woo! Full body workout today.
Alright, well.